So these are some of the call recording apps on your Android devices, and if you ask me which is the best one, honestly, my honest answer will be none of them are good. They have bugs, they have problems. Each and every app in this list, everyone is trash. The ones which performed great, google removed it google removed it from Play Store, and the remaining ones which you can see here are simply trash. It doesn't work the way it's supposed to work. Some apps doesn't recording from earphone. Some apps doesn't record too long. So most of them are trash. However, this one, uh, it might get the job done. It is pretty much better than the rest. The one which says this is CR. So the rest is simply trash. You can try each and every app, this one or else this. So this all are pretty much trash. So if you are like me, who is trying to find the best app for call recording, then I'm sorry to say, everyone is trash. So there was a dialer named as O dialer. So there was this dialer before, O dialer. In from here you can record um, phone calls, but unfortunately Google removed it from Play Store. So now you can't download this as well. So I have downloaded this before, so I have this in my phone. But if you are seeing this video in 2025 July, um, unfortunately you don't have this option as well. So I'm sorry to say that you can try these apps, but none of them are great. So the answer is best calling app recorder. Best call app recorder will be, in my opinion, is there is none. Okay, there is no such thing as best. So however, you can try each and every recording apps. You can figure it out which one works for you and which one doesn't work for you. This is the only solution I can provide. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.